A 4.8% retreat is predicted for Tether Gold by July 25, according to CoinDataFlow. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. Tether Gold has moved lower by 1.2% since yesterday and trades close to $4,046.50. Let's get into what analysts expect today. CoinDataFlow sees a slide to $3,854.15 by July 25, a potential loss of 4.8%. 30 rates expects Tether Gold to retreat to $3,970, a projected drop of about 1.9%. Coin price forecast notes it may slide toward $4,041, a fall close to 0.2%. Another estimate from Gulf Capital Collector highlights Tether Gold might advance toward $4,110.85, about 1.6% above now. And in closing crypto predictions, forecasts $4,413.77 by July 25, a 9.1% rise. This is the strongest return we've noted. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a drop of 4.8% to a rise of 9.1%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, crypto predictions leads with 9.1% upward change in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $2 and $91 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, coin price forecast ranks highest with a 65.3% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario from all forecasts combined. Tether Gold may edge up to about $4,077.95. Let's take a deeper dive. Consensus estimates suggest the price may climb 0.8% by tomorrow. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. A 1,000 setup might point to a potential $8 increase. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 58.3%. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. CoinDataFlow highlights a bearish short-term picture. 30 rates believes the price is set to climb further. Coin price forecast anticipates sideways movement, with Tether Gold hovering within a tight trading band. Gulf Capital Collector notes that Tether Gold appears set to push higher. Similarly, crypto predictions sees the price trending higher in the short term. By combining analyst projections, the consensus underscores an upward bias for Tether Gold in the short-term picture. Bringing the forecast together, most project Tether Gold to follow a rising path. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $4,046.80. The trend showed that the majority had the right forecast about the direction. As far as accuracy goes, Gulf Capital Collector stood out on top. Now it's time to break it into parts. 2 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with Gulf Capital Collector leading at 1.4%. Here's the detailed fact check. A side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. In comparison, 30 rates was assigned a forecast probability of 54.9%, $109.20 in accuracy, and minus 1.4% ROI. Take a moment and think, who came closest this time? Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Tether Gold compared with the rest of the market. The top performer now is Bonk with 9.6%, leaving Tether Gold behind. For now, we're comparing Tether Gold with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group is now on my website. If this comparison saved you some research time, give it a like and stay tuned by subscribing. Catch you in the next review.